Fabiola, and I wanted to share a super delicious ground beef and rice recipe with you. Please try it. You're gonna like it. It's really easy to make, and it's with ingredients that you can easily get at the grocery store or that you might have at home already. Let's begin, and before we do, can you please like and subscribe? Thank you, I'd really appreciate it. Let's begin. For the rice, we're going to use 2 cups of parboiled white rice, a garlic clove, 1/4 of an onion, 4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, salt, and chicken bouillon flavor to taste. If you do not want to use parboiled rice, you can use regular rice and just add another 1/2 cup of water per uncooked cup of rice. This is a brand of parboiled rice that I like to use, Uncle Ben's original parboiled rice, and I'm using 2 cups of rice. I'm going to begin by melting the 2 tablespoons of butter and add the rice and start stir frying the rice for a few minutes, maybe a couple of minutes, until the rice is translucent. Parboiled rice says not to wash it. If you are using regular rice, I would suggest to wash it and rinse it out a few times until the water comes out clear, just to minimize the stickiness of the rice. I'm going to put the onion and a garlic clove along with 1 cup of water into a blender. We're going to blend it and then add it to the rice that has been frying for about 3 minutes. Then we're going to add the rest of the 3 cups of water. And remember, if you're not using parboiled rice, you're going to add an extra cup of water for the 2 cups of rice. We're going to add the chicken bouillon and salt to taste, depending on how you like it. We're going to bring the water to a boil, and we're going to let it boil for about a minute. Once it has been boiling for a minute, we're going to lower the temperature all the way to low and cover it for about 25 minutes. For non-parboiled rice, it's probably going to be a little longer, about 10 more minutes. You can know that it's cooked once you see the bottom of the pot has no more water. Ya no me ocupo, pero también aquí ocupas 3 dientes de ajo picaditos. Begin by adding a little oil to a skillet and then browning our ground beef and Italian sausage along with the bell peppers and the onion. Add the Creole seasoning and the chicken bouillon flavor to the ground beef and Italian sausage, the black pepper, and the crushed or chopped garlic, however you want to do it. And we're also going to add the diced celery, and we're going to keep browning our meats. Now we're going to add our Italian parsley and keep mixing. Once our meat and our vegetables are ready, we can now add the rice to the mixture, and we are going to fold it in until it's completely incorporated into the meat. Last, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a little bit more Creole seasoning, all to taste, and a little bit of black pepper.